Yo, what's up guys? It's Ryan here, back with another YouTube video. In today's episode, you guys are going to be joining me for another one of GTA Exotic's track days at the Canadian Tire Motorsports Park. If you guys like super sick cars, then be sure to watch this video all the way through because I know you'll enjoy it. And if you do, leave a like down below. And don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button so you don't miss a beat. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace. Yo, what's up guys? We just pulled up to the track. Now it's time for some B-roll. Enjoy.
Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my lips. Bring me back to life.
Hey guys, we're about halfway through the track day here. I got a lot of photo packages out of the way, so now I'm going to show you guys how I take my track rollers. These are the rollers where I'm standing stationary and the car's flying by. Keep the car nice and sharp, and I'm trying to blur out the background. Alright, now I'm going to go over the settings that I use for my flyby rollers here. I have a custom preset set up on my camera. So the first thing I'm going to worry about here is the shutter speed. I want the shutter speed to around 1/60th to 1/30th of a second. It's going to blur out the background because I'm moving my camera with the car, and then I'm moving at the speed of the car so it keeps the car sharp. Because my shutter speed is so slow, I'm gonna have to move my f-stop really high to f19, whatever gets your camera nice and exposed well. And next we're gonna worry about focusing. We don't want one-shot focus, we want servo. That means as long as the camera's half pressed on the shutter button, it's gonna be tracking focus all the way through. Next thing, focus selector. You can either do single point or zone is nice as well. You can do either or. Next setting here is gonna be your burst shutter. So you wanna be able to hold the shutter down and take multiple photos. You can either do high speed or low speed depending on how many photos you want. I have it set on low speed, that way my card's just not filling up with way more photos than I need. Other than that, I'm shooting in raw, auto white balance. Yeah, that's about it. So now I'm gonna have some cars go by, I'm gonna take some rollers, and you guys will see the results up on screen. So next up we have this R8 V10 coming around. Before he's passing me, I'm gonna get my focus ready, make sure my exposure is good, and I'm gonna track him in the same spot on my screen the entire time as he flies by. You wanna take your focus dot and keep it on whatever you want to be the focus of it, and don't move it from that. Follow the car on that spot all the way through. Just like that. We got the blue NSX coming around with the cop car behind him. He's going nice and fast. As well, the faster the car is going, the more blurred out the background will be. Other thing with shots like these, you really want to focus on the background. What's your composition going to be like with the background of your photo? So this spot I have here is perfect because I can either catch them going past this building right here with the building in the background, as well as these houses in the background with the clouds. Looks real nice composition wise. So next up here we got two Lamborghinis coming by. So just tracking, holding the shutter down, and trying to match the speed of the car going by. Perfect. Those cars were going fairly slow, so the background won't be nearly as blurred. And the idea with these photos, not every single one is going to turn out sharp, but that's the reason I'm bursting these photos out. So as they go by, maybe about 50% of the photos will turn out nice and sharp, but that's more than enough. If I'm taking 10 photos per pass, 5 photos that are sharp, I'm happy with that. Got some nice photos of the Porsche and the 720S go by.
Wait, did I fuck it up?
Still going?
No, I think you're good, yeah. Just don't break anything though. Okay.
Yeah, I just finished up after a long day at the track. Now I have a nice relaxing drive home. Should be there in just over 2 hours. That's the ride. So the ride back. It's the Porsche 911 Carrera 4 GTS. The exhaust sounds insane on this thing. Like the gurgles are crazy. But yeah, should be a good drive. Catch you guys in the car. Got the Porsche started up. Ooh, what's this little dial here do? Sport? Yes please. Sport Plus? Yes please. I hope having the mic attached right now is gonna do the sound of these cars justice, because this is uncapped crazy. Fucking Mercedes-Benz. Listen to the sound of this thing. Woo. Oh my god, bro, that thing honks and honks. Bro, these things sound fucked. That is so nutty.